Hello everyone, I know I said I'm not going to review lights anymore, but after making a poll on the community page, if I should review more lights or not, you guys said I should. So here we are with a new video about lights. Budget lights from iFootage. iFootage are better known for their video tripods and monopods, but not long ago they entered the lights market and I remember seeing a very positive review from Gerald Dan about iFootage lights. And when they contacted me to review these lights, I was more than glad to do so. Excuse the voice, I am recovering from a very bad cold. So today we are going to take a look at the iFootage Anglerfish SL1 130BNA and the SL1 160BNA. These are the bicolor budget offerings from iFootage. In an ever-expanding market of lights, I appreciate a well-built light, especially if it is a budget light, and gladly these lights from iFootage are pretty well built. They are made from metal and a very high quality plastic. Looks like something Nikon used on their DSLRs like the D850. Very nice. The diamond-shaped LEDs have a glass protection. Most lights in this price range don't. The lights are small and compact, making them easy to use on location with a handle and a V-mount battery. But being so compact, they have mini balance mount, but don't worry, iFootage provides a very nice adapter to balance mount. The adapter is well built, easy to attach as you can see here, and can handle larger light modifiers, and that is not all. It also has something I said other manufacturers should add on these, and that is an umbrella mount. Some people still use those, they are light modifiers after all. The lights come in a very nice carrying bag, and inside the bag you get a very useful reflector. The power cord is very long and it has another nice feature, a lock on the power brick so you won't unplug it by mistake. Now let's talk about what makes these iFootage lights stand out in the budget category. First and foremost, the silent fan is great. We all know how annoying a loud fan can be, especially when you are recording audio. With these lights you won't have to worry about the distracting background noise. Another standout aspect for me is the fan speed control. You can adjust the fan speed to suit your needs, which is a fantastic feature for maintaining a quiet set while still keeping your lights cool. Another feature I really appreciate is the built-in heat alert and automatic heat protection. You can push these lights to their limits without worrying about overheating. When it comes to power options, these lights give you flexibility. They can be powered by multiple sources, which is a big plus. Whether you're in a studio or out on location, you can easily find a power supply that works for you. Like all lights in recent years, the iFootage Anglerfish can be controlled with an app. You can control multiple lights at once. The app works very well on iOS and I had no problem with it while I used the lights. Now let's talk about the light output. These lights offer quick and precise light adjustments with 4 different settings: 20%, 40%, 60% and 100%. This versatility means you can adapt to different shooting conditions with ease. I found this feature to be incredibly useful in my work. Like most lights these days, you have some special effects from fireworks to welding light. It has a CRI rating of 98, a TLCI rating of 99 and a CQS of 96. These lights also are very well calibrated to reduce blue light, resulting in a better rendering across the entire color spectrum. The 60BNA has a light source power output of 70 watt and the 130BNA 130 watt. The 60BNA can get you 2200 lux without a reflector at 1 meter and 8000 lux with a reflector. And the 130BNA 3800 without reflector and 14000 with reflector. pretty good power. While testing the iFootage lights, I did not see any problems when it comes to color rendition. The lights balance out pretty well and the skin tones look good. For those of you working in a studio environment, the studio mode is an amazing feature to have. It provides an important fail-safe feature. In studio mode, if your power supply experiences an outage, these lights will automatically reset once the power is restored. What's more, they'll restore your settings exactly as you had them before the outage. Overall, I've been impressed with the iFootage SL1 130BNA and 60BNA budget lights. They offer a lot of value for their price point, and the build quality, fan control, multiple power options, and studio mode with power outage recovery make them a strong contender in the budget lighting market. If this video was helpful, please subscribe and ring the bell to get notified when I release new videos. See you next time.